Hello to all my gardening friends, Jeff here, and today I am so excited to share with you an inspiring garden that Eric and Bev have been creating the past few years. In fact, just a couple seasons ago, their garden was featured on the West Seattle Garden Tour. As we stroll through their garden, I would like to point out several elements of landscape design that make this garden so inviting and unique. Space, line, form, color, and texture. Do you remember Thriller, Filler, and Spiller? Now here is a thriller. This beautiful Burgundy Japanese maple, Acer palmatum, Dissectum, Atropurpureum. It greets you as you come into the garden. Just a few steps past the Japanese maple, you hear the sound of water gently bubbling from a natural stone fountain. Transitioning toward the main garden and outdoor living space, we follow a hand-cut Pennsylvania bluestone pathway. I really believe that by introducing stone, you can turn any yard into a garden of distinction. Eric's craftsmanship and attention to detail is certainly on display here, and the element of line creates movement and leads us in toward the main garden. This walkway enjoys morning sun, but it's mostly shaded throughout the afternoon, allowing for a few surprises along the way. Shade-loving forest grass, Japanese painted ferns, hostas, Astilbe, and Burgundy Actaea. Eric and Bev have made really good choices in plant material here. See how many lighter colored plants they've chosen? That really helps to brighten up a space that otherwise could be dark. There's something magical about a water feature in the garden. Rounding the corner of the walkway, suddenly the sound of moving water catches your attention. The creek they've built here is lined with perennials and ornamental grasses and leads you up to a secluded outdoor room shrouded with vertical lines of bamboo, but with views of Puget Sound, Himalayan honeysuckle, greenleaf smoke tree, and Burgundy physocarpus, the Diablo 9-bark, form a tapestry of color, all of which leads up to existing big leaf maples that point skyward and form the southern wall of this outdoor room. Look at these decorative drain covers that Eric has put together. They help prevent puddling when it rains, of course, but they also function as lines, shaping your perception of where the bed and the hardscape meet. Eric and Bev have transformed this hillside city lot into an alpine garden complete with grasses and shrubs and waterfalls, creating habitat for pollinators like butterflies and hummingbirds. My hope is that this garden might be inspiration for you as you put the elements of landscape design to work in your own garden and create for yourself a place to linger and enjoy the best of nature. Hey, thanks so much.